Hey guys, this is Erik with Exit Strategy Syndicate. And the other day, I picked up my bottom end for my Mazda motor from Lordco Machine shop. Had a bunch of work done to it, had it bored out, new pistons, forged rods, new crank, all new bearings. My assistant, apparently he needs to pee, which is fine. So today I'm going to unbox it, check it out, go over everything, and get it hoisted up and back on my motor stand so I can start reassembling everything.
I see you.
Yeah? How do I look? Do I look good right now?
Well, you're kind of on the side.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm supposed to be on the side.
Keep on doing your thing.
Man. This motor looks so good.
Keep on doing your thing.
Freshened it right up.
That's
And when I went and dropped it off there, it was it was a mess. Now it looks amazing. God, so good. Just gotta figure out how I'm gonna get it up onto the
Dad's doing a good job, huh?
motor hoist. Put a bolt in there and there. Get out. Space in my garage here, fellas. Okay. I'm gonna check this thing out. Did a nice clean job on it. Oh yeah, it looks way better now. So shiny. Get it flipped over and take a look at the bottom. Now that it's flipped over, we can take a nice good look at the bottom here. Cradle's seated nicely. No gap or anything like that. New ARP studs are installed properly. I can see that they've got a couple different torque markings on them, so they were torqued down properly. Manley rods, CP pistons, King bearings. Everything's looking real good. Nice. All right. Looks like we can start reinstalling parts here. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video of my bottom end here. Stay tuned for my next video where I start putting everything back together and get this thing performance ready. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more.